Hey folks, Jimmy Weller with Weller's Utility Trailers. Equipment trailers come in lots of different sizes, 16 foot, 18 foot, 20 foot. This one here is a 22 foot, and we even have some 24 footers. This one's made by Master Tow. We've been selling them well over 20 years. Beautiful, beautiful trailers. This one has an adjustable coupler, which is not pictured, but it does come with it. The jack on the front has a drop leg. That is a great option. Cranking that jack can get a little tiring. So you pull a pin, the foot drops down, you put the pin back in, and then that can save you 4, 6, even 8 inches of cranking on that jack. It has a wire mesh tray right here where you can put chains and straps. It's got the front bar, so you don't drive off the front, which would be terrible. Treated wood floor, lots of stake pockets. We're talking 5 in front of the axle on each side. You can put a strap in there. You can put sides in there, 2x4s, couple screws. Build some sides, heavy duty fenders, step, you can get on and off quite easily, 16-inch tires and wheels, very big, very heavy, load range E, which are 10 ply, has the beaver tail slope and the drop leg ramps. So it's got that little L, so when you drive on it, that sinks into the ground, it helps the back end kind of be stable. LED lights all the way around. They're going to last a while. They're going to shine bright. 22 foot. It's available at Weller's. We got financing. We got rent to own. If you're a Delaware customer, we can do your registration. If you are not a Delaware customer, you will not pay us any sales tax. So come on out to Weller's. Thanks for watching and have a fine day.